Hello, I'm back again with markers. This is a review, video review, as it were. My wife and kids, but really especially my wife, loves the color stuff. So anytime I get a chance to review markers, I jump on it, of course, because I end up giving them to her. But some actually I do keep for myself. I use for various other little projects. These are from iMustech, and they are the dual tip brush marker pens. iMustech 18 colors brush tip calligraphy pen for bullet journal, adults coloring book, note-taking, 18-piece set. That's the listing on Amazon. It's $15.89, prime shipping, of course. And there's the name. I don't know if you can see that there. iMustech. And these are watercolors, so they're easy to clean. They're water-based. They're 18 colors, obviously, because there's 18 pieces in here. And it does come in this nice storage box, which is, pretty cool. But one side is a fine tip, and one side is a brush tip. But there's the pens there. I mean, they're decent size. But there's the tip, if you can really see that there. And as you can see, it's you can go fine or, thick. It's a brush tip. And then, of course, we have the fine tip side, which is very, very fine. But you can make that a little bit thicker, of course, just like with any marker. Various assorted colors here. Looks like I can see there's two different yellows. They're very close in color, but not. We've got our orange, of course. Let me see these yellows here. I don't know if they're the same. They might be the same. I don't know. Let's see. Let's do that. And this one. Oh no, they are different. Just a shade hair different there, which is kind of neat, I guess. Black. I don't know what color this is. It looks like kind of a brown. Yeah. Looks like a brown. And then we have our black there, of course. Oh, a little divider there to hold them in place. But we have a lot of colors here. I think we have some purples. We've got several blues. Oh, a very, very light blue here. I'm not sure what color that is. Maybe like a pink? Oh, that's a pink. Yeah. Okay. The cap looks almost white on that one. We have a couple different greens. And here's all the blues here. There's a very, very light blue. Almost like a gray, actually. And these ones, too. Huh. Very nice pens. They're from iMustech, and they are $15.89 for the whole 18-piece set. But which is pretty good. You're talking less than $1 a piece. So, not sure how long they'll last, but whatever. They are non-toxic, acid-free. Never have to worry about, harming your skin or anything like that. It'd be great for kids, of course. The felt tip brush head says 1 to 2 millimeter, and the fine head is about 0.8 millimeter. So, yeah, either or. You can use them for calligraphy, regular painting, with the brush tip, stuff like that. Or you can use, the fine for just your regular coloring. I mean, fine liner, pens, brush markers. Nice assortment of colors here. Pretty much every, most every color you could think of, for the most part. I'm in an 18-piece set here. But iMustech, $15.89. For the price, I think it's worth it. I mean, I bought numerous sets, actually, for my wife and kids over the years. And for the most part, they're all comparable. But I don't think I've actually had any that are the double tips with the fine and brush. She may have now. But iMustech pens and markers, watercolor. Not bad for the price, I think. They work well, you know, as you can see. They do have a nice selection of colors here for you. But that's it. Thanks.